What is up, guys? It's Chris here, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a custom on a custom, and when I say that, I mean I'm going to be customizing a pair of Dirty Bread 7210s that I did about probably 4 years ago. I wasn't wearing them that much, so I decided to spice them up a little bit, put a little seasoning on them. So let's get into the video. Okay, so as you guys already know, I'm going to be doing a custom on these Dirty Bread 11s that I did a while ago. Unfortunately, these have patent leather on them, and patent leather and paint do not go well together. So we're going to have quite a few extra steps we got to do in order to make this custom last as long as you want it to. But basically, I'm going to take some 320 grit sandpaper and I'm going to basically scratch the crap out of this patent leather. It's going to put little scratches in it so the paint can seep into it and get something to bite on for adhesion. So let's get started. Okay guys, so it's time for our paint mix. You already know how this goes. First up is going to be some Angelus neutral paint, and then I'm going to use some Createx Colors adhesion promoter, and then the third special magical thing is going to be this super chameleon pigment from solarcolordust.com. Don't write that comment asking where I got this stuff from. I linked everything for you nice and easy down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. No need to search anything. But anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour about half of my container, which is about half of a gram, into my bottle. Then I'm going to do about an ounce of Angelus neutral, and then I'm going to do about another ounce of the Createx Colors adhesion promoter. Watch out guys, this can get messy because I pretty much spilled it all over. But once you got that in there, put your cap on, mix it up, and you got your paint ready to go. Okay guys, so let me plug myself real quick. What is up guys? My name's Chris and I paint shoes, and if you're at least enjoying what you're watching right now, at least a little bit, then feel free to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so when I make more cool videos like this, which I plan on doing, you'll be one of the first people to see it and you'll join the family, which would be greatly appreciated. But let's get back into it. Okay, I'm sorry you had to hear that. Okay, so now it's time to spray our high gloss clear coat. For this, I'm going to use Treehouse high gloss coating. You could also use Angelus, but I think the Treehouse version is just a little bit shinier, and I really wanted to get that super shiny liquid glass look. Also, if you haven't noticed already, I sprayed these with Chameleon paint, which basically means that they change color depending on what angle you look at them at. So you'll notice right here on the left side, it's a goldish look, and then on the right side, it's more of a red violet kind of look. It's definitely more prominent in sunlight, so I'll show you guys when I've got the final product. Okay, so now it is time to dye these bright red soles to a black color. I really wanted to keep the red soles, but I noticed that the bright red color is completely throwing off the whole custom, so I gotta get rid of it. For this, I'm gonna use some Chem black dye. You guys have already seen me use this many times, so you already know what's about to go down. Now it is time to paint the 23 on the back of the shoe. For this, I'm going to use Angelus black paint mixed with a few drops of duller. I could just use flat black, but unfortunately, your boy ran out. So I'm just gonna make my own, a few drops of duller in your black paint, and you'll be good to go. Okay guys, so we're all done here. Let me know exactly what you think down below in the comment section. And also, do you like the gold violet color shift, or do you prefer the dirty breads that they were before and you don't think I should have touched them at all? Let me know down below. Let's have a conversation. But for anyone that's new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way when I drop some more heat, you can actually see it. But I'm not going to take too much of your time. Thank you for watching. Peace.